Okay, today we're gonna test this tool, Noise Master. We got it from Amazon. I think it's like 70 bucks. This is to find noise, especially on wheel bearings. So what we did, we put 3 clamps, which is like microphones, on the wheel bearings. Wheel bearing number 1 is the left front. The middle one is the bearing in the CV axle. And the number 4 is the wheel bearing in the right front. So now we're gonna drive it, and this thing is gonna raise the lights. The one is making the noise is the one the lights go up. So now we're gonna drive it. I'm driving like 20 miles an hour, and that's it. This is the number 1, which is driver's side front. I didn't do the back ones because I know the noise is coming from the front. The problem is, which one is it, left or right? And as you drive, I swear this noise is coming from the front, right. But as you can see, the noise is more on the left. So now I'm gonna low down the sensitivity. I'm gonna put it in half. So now I'm gonna drive it and see. Number 1 again. I'm gonna put it all the way down. That's it. So now we're gonna do again. Okay. That's the noise right there. It sounds like it's coming on the right side, but nope, it's the left front. You have no idea how many wheel bearings I done and I do the wrong one, and you turn to the right and the noise come to the left, and if you turn to the left the noise come to the right. I don't know, but I'm always, not always, but I make mistakes. I end up doing 2 wheel bearings. With this thing, it's definitely a good tool to buy. You do 1 wheel bearing. If it's your car, yeah, you do both wheel bearings, not a problem. But if it's a customer car, you're definitely losing money doing 2 wheel bearings, because unless you're lying to the customer and saying the both are bad, and what happened is you did it wrong. So that's it. That's how you test them, and you just gotta make sure the clamps don't fall, which I think they already fall. Let's see. I can see the the bearing, and on the CV axle, it does making a little noise. You see it? And I hear some noises back there. I think I lost my clamps. Yep, the clamps are gone. It's okay. I'm gonna go back to pick them up. But yep, that's how you use this tool to get to find out which wheel bearings are making the noise. So the right one is fine, the left one is no good, and the one on the CV axle is making a little noise. Not bad, but most of the noise is coming from the left front wheel bearing. Okay, it is a good tool. You know, it's not. It is cheap, so it is another one which is wireless. It's like 400 bucks. I think it might be worth it. But this is doing the job right now. So I'm gonna keep this one for now. Alright, good luck.